What are you guys doing?
Playing video games.
Yeah, but why in the studio?
Better screen.
Well, you want to go do something else?
No.
So how about if we go outside and throw the football around?
Nope.
How about we go to the pet store and get another cat?
No.
How about we go and visit Chris Riley at Chris's basement?
No.
How about we go to Legoland?
No.
I've got it. How about we open the Maker Box?
Yeah. Whoa! I just won. Sure.
All right, everybody. We are back with another unboxing of the luxurious Maker Box. And as always, I'm super excited. I love Maker Box. You guys know that. I love the whole surprise element from behind it. So, without further ado, we'll cut into it. Listen, if you guys don't get Maker Box, do yourself a favor and get a Maker Box. If this is your first time tuning into one of our Maker Box unboxings, we do film it every month, and we try to do it a little bit delayed so that there's no spoiler. You got to push this button right here, so that there's no spoiler in what you're getting. But this does give you an idea of what you can get in every month box. So, and I'll tell you at the end about the different boxes that you can get. So, oh, it's right there. You didn't snag it out of there like you normally do. So. First and foremost, you always get a piece of candy. Laffy Taffy. Shall we enjoy the joke?
I'd rather not.
Oh man, my eyesight's bad. Why are Florida hotels so nice? Oh, that's funny that it's a Florida joke. Why are Florida hotels so nice?
I don't know.
The amenities. Oh my God, that's so bad. That is so bad. What's spicy but cold in the winter?
I'm not sure if I want to know.
Chili peppers. Chili peppers. All right, so at least the candy is better than the jokes. So you will get one of these every month with your box, and what that is a slip of paper that says ignore me, and so you just ignore that. Actually, on the back side of that is a link and some information for monthly coupons. So if you like what comes in the box, there's generally a discount to buy yourself some more. Now, if you use those coupon codes will actually save you generally enough money to pay for what you paid for your box. So if you buy filament, it's a way to go. This month comes with a 3D fuel sticker. Now the fun part about 3D fuel stickers is we have so many of these, but it's okay because we love 3D fuel, and we love the people behind 3D fuel, so it's okay. Ooh, that first one looks exciting. You should read that one.
Yes, I will.
I mean, it's sold on.
Will.
Let me flash it up here real quick.
You.
Now he's gonna read that to you. So hang in there.
Might be too much. Hot end temperature. This is light change PLA. Hot end temperature 190 to 220. Bed temperature room to 50. Speed 50 to 110 millimeters per second. Yes to cooling. PLA filament that changes color when exposed to UV light, and that's Hello 3D.
So we take this outside, it's going to change color.
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
I don't know.
I like those. Well, UV light.
Yeah.
We use all LED lighting here in the studio, so it doesn't put out any UV, so it's not really going to do anything. So, but yeah, if we take that outside or open the window and stick our arm outside, it should change colors.
Just throw it outside.
So, and that is Hello 3D. That is a China-based manufacturer, and according to this, you order it from Amazon. So I'll show you that slip again. And if I can get it to change colors, I will insert a little image right about here showing you what it looks like after it has changed colors. If I can't get it to change colors, then I'll put like an oopsie logo there or something. All right, so this next one is, Prusament. This is PC Blend Jet Black. And there's a quick shot of that. And that is a hot end temperature of 265 to 285. Whew, that is hot. Bed temperature of 100 to 120 millimeters per second.
What?
Oh, I love when there's little mistakes on the chicken.
And the speed is not listed.
Yeah. I don't know. We'll have to look into that.
Now we got something to bully MakerBox about.
Oh, you mean besides not putting 20 pieces of premium chocolate candy in their boxes, like the Fun King 3D box? Not actually available. Glue stick for adhesion, enclosure and ventilation advised, because it is a PC filament, so you definitely want to, that's polycarbonate by the way, so you definitely want to ventilate. Prusament PC Blend is recommended for experienced 3D printer owners. Oh well, forget that, you know. Looking for tough, durable material for production of prototypes and functional parts. Thermally and mechanically stressed components. Yeah, we really got to get into printing some of this kind of stuff. I'm going to have to make an enclosure. I'm probably going to have to buy another Prusa because
I agree with that
I don't
statement.
like running anything through that but PETG.
I agree with that statement.
So
we should definitely get it.
Yeah, and that's made in the Czech Republic. And again, I'll show you that label. And we have determined that you can scan those IR codes right off of the videos. So IR codes. QR codes. Definitely not an IR code.
I don't know.
I don't even know what an IR code is.
Probably.
I'm pretty sure that one's a QR code.
I don't know.
Hey, at least I call myself out so that nobody else gets a chance.
No, we'll also bully you about it.
All right, so this one, do you want to read that one?
Sure.
Now that we've wrinkled the label all up. Oh, that's our friends over at Polymaker.
Yeah. So this is
Oh, let me show it first. Now that it's all wrinkled up.
This is Polyflex TPU 95, the hot end temperature 210 to 240, the bed temperature room to 60, speed 40 millimeters per second. Yes to cooling. Polyflex TPU 95 is the thermoplastic polyurethane.
Polyurethane?
Yes. TPU based filaments specifically engineered to work on the most desktop 3D printers. It has a shore hardness of 95A and can stretch more than 3 times its original length.
Wow. So this absolutely reminds me of the licorice strings.
Yes.
So we've been now doing this for what, 3.5 years? I think Fun King is now 3.5 years old. I know, really, that's like really crazy. And I'm going to make a public admission right now. I've never printed TPU.
What a nerd.
Well, the thing is like we have TPU from the maker boxes. I've never bought a roll. I do actually have, and it might even be this. I have a roll of Polyflex in yellow nonetheless. I've never printed with it because I don't know what to print with it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to just print a benchy that I can squish. You know, like I want to print something good with it. Maybe we should try printing RC car tires with it and see how it holds up on our RC cars.
Maybe.
That'd be interesting. So, all right. So last but not least, and of course that's sad because that's the end of the box. But that brings us to our friends over at IC3D. You know, we have a lot of friends in the filament industry.
Yes.
This is IC3D's microbial. Sorry, let's try that again. This is IC3D's antimicrobial PETG. The print settings are 240 to 270 degrees centigrade, bed temperature of 70 degrees, speed of 30 to 50, 80 millimeters per second, which, like, I generally don't ever change that. I just always print at the same speed. I know there's some materials that you have to change, but cooling off or low. So it pretty much prints like all PETG, but if using a PEI print sheet, apply a glue stick coating. PETG, if you're printing on glass mainly, will stick itself like crazy to your print bed, so do be careful with that. IC3D antimicrobial PETG carries nearly identical print settings and mechanical properties as IC3D standard PETG. Wow, didn't somebody say that recently? So it pretty much prints like all PETG, but with an antimicrobial boost. Silver's natural antibacterial properties make it ideal for high-touch surfaces. Product subject to high humidity and outdoor uses. Product is pending EPA approval. Now that's huge. That is huge. So, and again, that's our friends over at IC3D, and that is made right here in the good old USA, in Ohio. And we've had the pleasure of getting to go there and check out their facility and stuff. And I hope after all of this ridiculous COVID stuff is over that we get that opportunity again. I just wanted you to know that I reached out to MakerBox and I said, hey, in next month's box, please line the inside of the cardboard box with itching powder because Xander loves to put that thing on his head.
Yes.
Good luck with that.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, that does bring us to the end of this month's box, and it is always a sad time for us, but it's exciting to now get to think about what we're going to do with the filaments inside. If any of these filaments intrigue you, and you don't have any or you don't want to get any, but you'd like to see something specific printed with them, let us know down in the comments. I have the candy. I don't know where you're going with that.
Okay.
Okay, so, but if you don't yet get a MakerBox, like I said in the beginning of this, get yourself a MakerBox. This particular one is the Explorer box. It is generally the more unique and engineering type filaments. There is also the Easy box, which is all PLAs, and then you can get the Everything box, which is cram-packed full with everything you see here and all of the PLAs. Unfortunately, though, you still only get one piece of candy.
That's
and
dumb.
This month just has really terrible jokes on it, but we won't hold that against MakerBox. They didn't have anything to do with that.
I will.
So there is a link in the description below to get yourself a MakerBox. There is a coupon code down in there. They did recently go through a website change. I have not confirmed whether or not that coupon code works or not, but if you try it and it does not, please let me know and I will harass those guys to get that fixed because that's super important for us to be able to save you a little bit of money on getting yourself a MakerBox. So, but with that said, even if that coupon code doesn't work, get yourself a MakerBox. At least one. Try it out. You will be hooked. They'll snag you and reel you in because the excitement of not knowing what you're going to get every month is phenomenal. I'm always excited when I see that shipping notice that it's been shipped and I'm like, yay, please, post office, get it here because, you know, we all know how that goes. So, other than that, we thank you guys for tuning in. We would love for you to hit that subscribe button below, ring that bell and show us some love. Zach always loves the thumbs ups. Every time we get a thumbs up, he does a little dance and he's really excited about it and stuff.
And then if you get a thumbs down, he cries himself to sleep.
He does, he cries. And I'm like, shut up, stop crying. But thank you guys for tuning in. And until next time, as always, print on.